Wala tayong ginagawa, nakikita para pababain yung presyo para naman dun sa ating mga kababayan.
Sir, baka lang po may iba-ibang classification ng rice kasi po...
Ha? Nagtuturan na kayo ngayon? Ikaw naman, iho. Kumbaga sa kwan, matandang tinali na ako eh. Tapos bubulahin mo ako ng ganyan, hindi mo ako mabigyan ng rason. Alam mo, iho, naging investigador ako ng napakatagal sa pulis. Kung sumagot ka, parang may tinatago pa eh.
Next, may we now recognize the Honorable Representative Romeo Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pumunta nga po ako sa BPI. Sino po yung biggest importer ng rice? Di po ba? Narinig niyo po ba yon? Tanong kanina ni Honorable Barbers. At binigyan yung customs ng up to the end of this hearing na malaman kung sino yung biggest importer ng rice. Now, may I ask BPI, sino po yung korporasyon o kumpanya na binigyan nyo ng pinakamaraming permit para mag-import ng rice? Baka ayaw mo rin sumagot.
Sir,
Director Glenn.
from our records po, top 20 rice importers in terms of actual volume arrived, yung BLY, Agri-Ventures Trading.
BLY?
Apo. Number 1. Ito po naman ay sinabit na namin sa...
Sa volume?
Apo.
For 2024?
Yes po. As of December 4 po.
Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling itong record na data na nanggaling sa akin dito. I think I can say that it came from the Bureau of Customs. Top importers of rice, January to October 2024. Yung sinabi po niyong Atara,
Ito po yun dito sa amin, sir.
sino po number 1?
Yung BLY po. BLY.
BLY?
Yes po.
Ang volume lang niya is 210,800 210,600,475. Yung Atara is 215,850,725. Bakit magkaiba?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Ito po ay data po natin galing mismo sa ating actual volume na natag po as inspected. So, ang una po yung... kasi
When
po,
you say tag as inspected, in-inspect ninyo.
Apo, that's
So-
clear naman po sa atin.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin nagtatali. Ang tanong ko po, bakit hindi po nagtatali?
Sir, baka lang po may iba-ibang classification ng rice kasi po...
Ha? Nagtuturan na kayo ngayon?
Apo. Hindi, sir. Ano naman po eh. Actually, harmonized naman po eh. But yung siguro yung pagdating o ano kung kailan po na i-report.
Pero in-inspect ninyo eh.
Apo.
Ikaw naman, iho. Kumbaga sa kwan, matandang tinali na ako eh. Tapos bubulahin mo ako ng ganyan, hindi mo ako mabigyan ng rason.
Sir, ito po yung ipinasa namin
Hindi, sa record na ng customs, magkaiba eh. Magkaiba kayo.
May I be recognized, Mr. Chair?
Yes, the Honorable, Bian.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair. We submitted, sir, the top 20 consignees, and it was submitted to the Secretariat, Your Honor, of this committee.
Eh, galing.
So, when I heard about the volume that was answered by BPI, it tallies with my numbers, Your Honor. So that's January to
October of 2024.
no, to November, Your Honor.
Up to
I think early December, Your Honor.
yung Yung,
We submitted yesterday.
aha. Yun po ba yung record din na nasa inyo sa BPI? That's October to December, January to December?
Yes po, sir. January to December po.
So, from October 2024, umakyat yung BLY.
Sir, as per dun sa importers mismo, we would have to sort it po.
Yeah.
Para po
Okay.
makapagbigay kami.
So, alam po ninyo yung, kasi sa record na sa akin, Horizon ang nangunguna, BLY ang pangalawa, ang nangunguna pala is Atara, BLY ang second, ang third is Horizon. Okay? Tama? Now, may I know yung criteria, bakit yung mga kumpanyang ito, yung first three, ay malalaki ang kanilang ang quota for importation.
Chairman?
Yes, please, Director Glenn.
Sir, actually wala po tayong quotang tinitingnan or any quantity restriction po. Ang atin pong binibigyan dahil nga po online and kumbaga ano na yung ating pag-import
So, online.
ng rice.
Ina-approve nyo po lahat.
Apo sir, kung wala po siya sir problema about incorrect entries o kung wala po tayong nakikitang mali doon, ito po from the RTL pa naman po, even nga po kahit wala kaming action, ma-approve po siya in 7 days. So, ngayon
Yung 7 days provided
Apo,
for by
automatic. Opo.
Republic Act 11032.
Apo. So kami po, nire-review
Automatic.
hindi po, nire-review natin yan. Nire-review, nire-recommend po ng chief ng plant quarantine and then saka po natin i-approve.
Now, may I know
Romy?
why you're following that provision of 11032 based on Section 9 of that law? Bakit yun po ang sinusunod ninyo? Hindi ba may mga condition kung bakit after 7 days consider it as approved? May no?
Kong Romy, just to inform you, your time has expired. If you maybe request that you wrap up already with your question.
Mr. Chairman, I will yield my time to Kongomi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sige.
I will be the next
Sige, so-
to interpolate, diba?
Yes.
I will just yield my time to
Yes. After
Mr. Chair.
Yes, since
I'll just wrap up. I'll just continue my
Yes.
line of questioning.
yes, please proceed, Kong Romy.
So that I will not get
But
the time
Kong Romy,
of the Honorable
yes,
Paduano.
before I recognize Director Glenn, may I request from the committee secretariat, we are informed that the Bureau of Customs has submitted an updated list up to December in terms of the top importers. So, para to avoid any confusion, baka we might want a copy. Everyone to get a copy.
Chairman.
Yes, Honorable Paduano.
Just the indulgence of Chairman Akop. Kasi ang reference namin is January to October coming from the Bureau of Customs. I talked to Commissioner Robion. He told me that there's a document, updated document, nasa COMSEC daw. And we don't have that copy. Now, ang ano lang po, ang BPI ba has also submitted to the committee the actual
Yes. Comsec, can we show the Honorable Paduano the listing? I think it was submitted by BPI already.
yung sinabmit niyo ba Mr. Glenn January to December din?
Opo sir, early December, I think December 4?
Yes.
December 5 sir, as of December 5.
Pero may January to October din kayo?
Apo sir, mayroon po.
Hindi,
Hindi naman
napinadala.
nating
Nasinabit.
i-reconcile. Apo. Wala po.
Wala. So December, para lang ma-reconcile yung data, dapat January to December. Wala kaming hawak noon, Mr. Chairman.
Yes. So Comsec, can we please provide the Honorable Paduano a copy? Thank you, Honorable Caraps Paduano. May we now hear the answer of the Director Glenn to the query of the Honorable Romy Acop.
Sir, just to, sir, ito po yung proseso, kung paano po sila nabibigyan.
Ang tanong ko po ay, bakit nyo po ginagamit yung provision ng Republic Act 1032 na kung 7 days hindi nyo po inactionan, ma-approve, consider it as approved? May I know the reason why?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Sir, binigyan ko lang pong instance yun, sir, kasi sinasabi niyo po kanina na bakit
But you have
ina-approve.
been doing this.
Hindi po, hindi na po, sir. Hindi na po namin siya.
Kailan nyo tinigil?
Sir, yung RTL, I think 2021 pa ho yun nung yung sinasabing minamanage yung
So,
SPSIC.
remember that
Apo.
you are under oath.
Apo.
Pag nakakuha ako
Yes, sir.
ng ebidensya,
Yes, sir.
I will move to cite you in contempt.
Yes, sir.
So, you are no longer using
Yung RTL provision.
yung provision sa Republic Act 11032. In other words, what you are trying to tell this committee is that lahat po ng online application ay ina-approve nyo before the lapse of 7 days.
Kapag ka po siya ay na-review at nakita pong walang mali sa kanyang mga
That is
application.
presumed.
Apo.
Kasi dapat mong
Documentary,
ginagawa
sir.
yung trabaho mo eh.
Opo, opo.
Yun lang ang katanungan ko.
Yes, sir.
Di po ba? Now, may I ask, yung po bang nag-a-apply, you do not question yung kanilang mga data tungkol sa kanilang authorized capital stock? Is it not included in their application?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Opo. Actually, sir, sa ating
Sagutin
license
po
to
ninyo
operate.
ako. Hindi
Opo.
nyo po sinasagot yung katanungan ko eh. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
Pakinggan mo yung tanong ko. Kasi kanina pa ako rito eh, na nag-antay. Ang tanong ko sa inyo is, in the applications of those applying for the importation of rice, tinitingnan nyo po ba yung data ng mga nag-a-apply? For example, do you look at their authorized capital stock? Yes or no?
Sir, pagka sa application na po ng SPS natin.
Yes or no lang po
Opo,
yung
no.
sagot.
No, sir. Sa
No.
application ng SPSI.
So, kasi nagwa-wonder po ako kung bakit, for example, yung Horizon Free Enterprise, ang kanyang volume from January to October 2024 was 205,691,625 kilograms. Di ba? Or ang value po ng kilograms, number of kilograms na ito is 5.9 billion. Tama? Doon sa data mo, tama.
Sir, for 2024 po,
January to October 2024.
sir, wala po ako nung January to October, sir. Ang nandito po sa akin ay hanggang December, sir.
Ano ang number ni Horizon dyan sa yung data?
Number 3, sir.
Number 3. Ilan na po yung kanyang volume na in-import?
163.
Ilan?
163,134.30 metric tons po.
100?
63,000.
January to October dito sa binigay ng customs to 205 nga eh.
Sir, sorry. 190,099.45.
190.
Apo.
Yung Horizon niya na.
Apo.
Bakit customs? Sa inyong record from January to October, 205.6.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, we get our data from actual importations, Your Honor. So we just generate the data and then
Kaya
we
nga-
give you the actual figures, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, ang pagkaalam ko, dapat yung data ninyo na pumasok at saka doon sa request nila, dapat mag-ugma, di po ba? Pero doon sa data na sinabit ninyo, hindi nag-uugma. May I know the reason why?
Yes, Mr. Chair. All importations of rice is covered. When the shipment of rice arrives, it is part of the process flow that the SPSIC that's being presented is checked by the field offices of the quarantine offices, field offices of BPI, Your Honor.
There's no mechanism between customs and BPI to find out kung kwan talaga yung kwan, yung pumapasok na bigas dito at saka yung kwan. There's no mechanism to find out. Eh kung wala, eh makakaloko-loko nga talaga tayo. Di ba? And I do not see any reason why hindi rin tinitignan ng BPI yung kwan. Kasi 1 million lang ang authorized capital stock pursuant to the records ng Atara, which was incorporated only in 2023. Tapos siya na ngayon na nasa top 3.
Yes, Director Glenn, would you care to clarify?
Sir, yung consideration po, so isa rin po siya sa documents na check before po sila mabigyan ng license to operate yung ating mga importer. So, yun po yung license to operate, it's done before even po siya mag-operate pa.
Kanina, sinabi mo hindi nyo chinecheck.
Sir, ang sinabi ko po kanina is during the application po. Hindi na po siya kasama doon sa mga
When do you check it?
during the registration po of the importer, sir. Registration muna, then bibigyan sila ng license to operate, and then mag-a-apply na po sila online.
Alam mo, iho, naging investigador ako ng napakatagal sa pulis. Kung sumagot ka, parang may tinatago ka eh. From the way you answer my questions and from your demeanor, I hate to say it, pero may tinatago ka eh. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you very much, Kong Romy.